In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a group voice call in Telegram. This can be useful for catching up with friends, coordinating with a group, or having a quick voice discussion without needing another calling app. First things first, open up Telegram and click into the specific group chat, channel, or supergroup where you want to host the call. Keep in mind, you do need to be an admin or have permission to start voice chats if it's a large group or channel. But for standard groups, anyone can usually kick it off. Once you're inside the group, look at the top of the chat and click the group name to open the group information. From the group information, look for chat icon and tap it. Telegram will then open the group voice chat interface and start the voice chat. Members of the group can now join the voice chat and speak with everyone else who is participating. You can see the people who have joined and manage your microphone directly from the call interface. If you want to speak, make sure your microphone is unmuted. When you're not talking, you can mute yourself to reduce background noise. This is especially helpful when several people are in the call at the same time. While the call is active, you can continue using Telegram and keep track of the participants from the voice chat window. When you're finished, simply leave the voice chat. If you started the voice chat and have the necessary permissions, you may also have an option to end the voice chat for everyone. Features and menu locations can change between versions, so keeping the application updated can help you access the latest calling options. See you in the next one.